May mga nagda-dive dito. Mula doon sa second floor na yon.
No way!
Two Edmonton police officers inspect Bourbon Street inside West Edmonton Mall. This after what many believe was a shooting in the busy mall Thursday afternoon.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
Welcome to...
A brief history of West Edmonton Mall. West Edmonton Mall opened on September 15, 1981 and was built in 4 phases. It held the title of the world's largest shopping mall until 2004. Today, it's still Canada's largest mall featuring over 800 stores, the famous World Water Park, Galaxyland, an indoor ice rink, and attractions that welcome more than 30 million visitors every year. Thank you.
Nandito tayo sa West Edmonton Mall. Papatingnan lang natin itong laptop natin. Dito sa Apple. So nakapagpabook na ako sa Apple and it will take 2 hours daw bago nila check upin itong laptop ko nito. Ano kayong pwede kong gawin habang ako ay naghihintay? Kasi medyo matagal-tagal yung 2 hours eh. Ang sabi dito, we've held your place in line at the Genius Bar. You'll get a message when it's almost your turn. Reply T, 1 pala yun, to cancel your reservation at any time. This is a very nice Ferrari. Look at that, and you can win this. Nakaka-relax ang water fountain na ito eh. Pero, tingnan nyo to. Itong lugar na ito sa West Edmonton Mall ay isa sa mga tourist destination or main attraction dito. Ayan, no? So maraming activities na pwedeng gawin dito. Pwede kang mag-rent ng mga boats na yon. Okay, na mukhang swan. May mga diving din dito na nagaganap. Dito ginaganap yung mga diving activities. And itong lugar na ito na nasa likuran ko, minsan napapagtripan din ito. May mga nagda-dive dito. Mula doon sa second floor na yon, dito sa second floor sila tumatalon papunta doon.
No way!
May mga shows na ginaganap dito every weekend.
Alright, a big applause. A little drum roll for that, please. Amazing. I want to minimize all of the extra flashing that Pablo here is doing. That Pablo is showing off for us is how they're going to get.
Ang daming coins dun, no? So, eto yung sikat na ship dito sa West Edmonton Mall. Ang tawag dito ay The Ship, West Edmonton Mall. Dito sa West Edmonton Mall, sulit ang buong maghapon mo. Kasi kompleto na dito eh. Lahat na ng mga activities na magagawa mo. Maraming activities ang pwede mong gawin dito sa West Edmonton Mall. Ito yung tinatawag na wave pool. maraming fun activities ang pwede mong gawin dito sa West Edmonton Mall. Or yung iba naman, ginagawa lang itong pampalipas ng oras. .6:04 na. Hindi ko na yata mahihintay yung pag-check nila ng laptop ko. So, siguro, i-reschedule ko na lang. And, ayun. Okay. Let's press 1 to cancel. Your Genius Bar reservation has been canceled. If you still need help, talk to a specialist or visit apple.ca/CAF. Okay. Goodbye, Apple Store. Nasayang lang ang oras natin dito sa West Edmonton Mall. Sana pala nag-vlog na lang ako. May napala pa ako.